Hi guys. So I want you to know I'm still here. I know it's been a minute since I've been posting, but I'm still in the industry. I was in a final expense based company, and believe me, that is a necessity because there are a lot of elderly people that not only need insurance still, but some of them need to transition out of what we call the 2-year wait policies because they actually qualified for a no waiting policy. Okay, so let me break it down. A no waiting policy, which is what we call day one, means that as once you pay that payment, if you pass like the day after or 30 minutes after the payment is received, the policy will pay out. Whereas the 2-year wait, you're covered for accidental death only. Well, unfortunately, that's how some companies are set up. They only offer their policies just like that, an automatic 2-year wait. That's what they call no medical questions, no medical exams. So in my journey of doing life insurance and going out and meeting elderly people, I found that there were quite a few people that were in that type of policy and they were unaware, and that was my job. If I could get them to qualify for day one coverage, we got them out of that and got them in day one coverage. Well, now currently I went after my strongest passion, which was originally why I got in the business, was to create wealth. Okay, so I did know I wanted to specialize in a whole life product, but I had no idea that the world of whole life products would open up to me like it did, and it opened up even larger with the IUL product. Okay, so what I did, I started offering the IUL product not to the elderly, but to the people that were my age, around 40s, 50s, 60s, those people, even 30s. So, you know, living in Atlanta, a lot of people in Atlanta, you know, we know that there's a lot of young entrepreneurs, people that are heavily saturated in the business of being an entrepreneur and actually making lots and lots of money. Well, you know, if you know anything about life insurance is not taxed, okay? So when you get that benefit paid out, that benefit is not taxed, okay? Unless you go over the bracket and then it goes into a modified endowment contract. That's something I'll talk about at another time. Well, because I found that I was more satisfied in teaching people about these types of policies, and I saw the need for my community and people that look like me, I said I wanted to be in a genre where there was more offered in that area than final expense. Now, do I still offer final expense? Absolutely. I still offer final expense. I still offer term, but I wanted to help people set up financially where not only they will be able to see that money while they're alive, but they will also be able to utilize that money. See, seeing the money and utilizing the money is two different things. Okay, seeing the money is having a policy, you getting something large, you want to leave the money to your children, your family, your husband, your wife, and you know the money is going to come because you already see what you already set up. But utilizing the money, that's a whole nother ball game that I wanted to introduce to people, and it only could be introduced by having people that were knowledgeable in the product around me. Okay, so that's what I offer more than anything now. Like I said, I still can accommodate other needs in the life insurance sector, but I really concentrate more on the IUL product, the Index Universal Life product, and I also concentrate on annuities, helping people roll their 401k over absolutely after age 59 and a half, so they won't face any penalties, and getting them more income on a monthly basis. So if you would like to get with me, talk to me more, set up a Zoom, and let's go over what you would qualify for, give me a call at 404-645-1922.